What if your agents never have to take notes again? What if every conversation gets auto-documented, compliance is tracked in real time, and AI actively guides agents to close more payments? That's exactly what our AI-powered financial recovery solution delivers. It automates repetitive tasks, monitors compliance live, and helps agents perform better in every conversation. Let's break it down. First is the AI conversation documentation. The system listens to live calls, identifies key details like payment promises and follow-up needs, and creates complete summaries automatically. Agents stay focused on the conversation, not the keyboard. The impact? More efficient calls, better records, and no missed details. Then comes real-time compliance monitoring. The AI continuously analyzes each conversation against over 100 regulatory parameters. It flags potential issues instantly and prioritizes calls that need attention, so your QA team doesn't have to review everything manually. This brings speed, precision, and peace of mind to compliance workflows. Now let's talk about AI-powered negotiation assistance. As the agent speaks, the system detects tone, picks up on objections, and offers real-time suggestions, like custom payment options or rebuttals that have worked in similar cases. This helps agents respond with confidence and increase successful payment outcomes. Finally, predictive performance insights. All this call data feeds into a live dashboard that reveals what's working across your operations, what negotiation tactics convert, which agents need support, and where opportunities for recovery are being missed. Leaders get clear, actionable insights to make better decisions. This is more than automation. It's a full AI ecosystem for finance startups and businesses. If you too are looking for world-class AI development services or planning to build your own AI agent, let's connect today.